Hello students, welcome in our English classes. Today we are going to learn new chapter apostrophe. Why do we use apostrophe? Let's see. We use apostrophe to make a shortened form of the word, or the shortened form of the word are called contraction, or we can say the words in which apostrophe has been used are contractions. Here we can see worksheet number 1. Read the following extract from A2 Monday Morning Blues unit Growing Up of My English Reader. In the box, one extract is given here. I am going to read that extract. Please see it carefully. Here, Tom, what's the matter? Tom moaned out. Oh, don't Sid, don't joggle me. But I must. It's awful. How long have you been this way? Oh, don't Sid. I'm dying, said Tom. No, Tom, you ain't dying. You are all right. So, if we see this extract carefully, we can see some shortened form of the words like what's, don't, it's, am, and your. All these shortened form of the words are known as contraction. So, they are shortened form of some other words. So, let's see what's is a shortened form of what is. Don't is a shortened form of do not. It's is a shortened form of it is. Am is a shortened form of I am. And is a shortened form of are not. Your is a shortened form of you are. An apostrophe is also used to show that a thing belongs to someone or something, or it shows that a noun owns something. For example, notebooks belonging to the girl will be known as the girl's notebook. The hostel meant for the girls will be known as the girls' hostel. Here in worksheet number 2, we can see two pictures. One is of Anita and the second one is of Rajan. Both of them are sitting on the chair and both of them have a table next to them. On the table there are some things kept, and beside the table also some things are kept. So let's see whose things are those. First picture is of sunglasses. Whose sunglasses is this? This is Anita's sunglass. You can see in the picture on her forehead, Anita's forehead, the sunglasses there. Next picture is of pen. This is whose pen? Rajan's pen. We can see the pen. Rajan is holding the pen in his hand. The next picture is of briefcase. Whose briefcase is this? This is Rajan's briefcase. Okay, which Rajan has kept beside the table. Whose umbrella is this? This is Anita's umbrella, which is kept beside the table. Whose books are these? These are Anita's books, because we can see these books on Anita's table. Whose calculator is this? This is Rajan's calculator, which we can see on Rajan's table. The next picture is of a file. Whose file is this? This is Rajan's file, because we can see this green file lying on Rajan's table. Whose hat is this? This is Anita's hat, because we can see this hat is on Anita's table. In this way, we can use apostrophe to show someone's belonging. Okay students, see you in my next video.